When a table of contents is inserted into LibreOffice Writer, it puts a gray background behind it. Today, we're going to look at why it does this and how it can be removed. I cannot wait to show you how this works, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's insert our table of contents. We're going to go to Insert, Table of Contents, Table of Contents. We can take the defaults here, so go ahead and tell it OK. And now we have a table of contents with a gray background. Now the reason this background is gray is to serve as a reminder that this is an automatically generated field. Now what that means is each time that we update or change a header or subheader, it's going to automatically show in this table of contents. The gray background is not going to show whether we print it or we export it as a PDF and email it. So how you want to handle the background is completely up to you. Now we have a couple options. We can keep the gray, we can change the color of the gray, or we can get rid of the background altogether. To do any of those, we're going to go to Tools, go down to Options, and then under Application Colors, we're going to scroll just a little bit till we find Index and Table Shadings. Now over to the right is where we have the ability to change the color. If we uncheck it and tell it to apply, it removes that gray background altogether. Now if you notice, I also have a border or a boundary around mine. You can uncheck this to remove the boundary if you want to, but I leave mine there because again, it's not going to print and it's not going to show if you save it as a PDF and email it. This just helps me, especially if I have a longer table of contents or a document, to kind of keep track of where I'm at and what's going on. But what you do with your table of contents is completely up to you. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment if you have any questions, feedback, or ideas for future tutorials, and be sure to click that subscribe button before you leave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.